Captions AI claims to make video editing easier, especially when it comes to adding captions. But does it really deliver on that promise? Let's dive into its features and see if it's worth your time and money. Captions AI is designed to streamline the video editing process by automatically generating captions. This can be a game changer for content creators looking to save time and boost accessibility. The interface is fairly user-friendly, which is a plus, especially for those who may not be tech-savvy. You simply upload your video, and the AI takes over, generating captions that you can edit afterward. However, while the core functionality is solid, there are areas that feel a bit lacking. For instance, the customization options for captions are somewhat limited compared to other editing tools. If you're looking for a wide range of font choices or styles, you might find yourself disappointed. Additionally, the platform's overall performance can vary depending on the video length and complexity, so be prepared for some hiccups with longer videos. It's primarily aimed at YouTubers, educators, and anyone creating video content. But if you're a professional editor looking for advanced features, you might want to keep searching. On the positive side, Captions AI is incredibly efficient at generating captions quickly, which can save you a lot of time. The simplicity of the upload and go process is another strong point. Plus, it does help make videos more accessible for viewers who are hard of hearing. However, there are some downsides. For one, the lack of advanced editing features can frustrate users who want more control over their captions. You might also run into occasional inaccuracies in the auto-generated captions, which means you'll need to double-check the output. Another concern is the pricing model. While it's not the most expensive option out there, it may not be the best value for users who need comprehensive editing tools. Overall, casual users might find it handy, but professionals may want to look elsewhere. In conclusion, Captions AI is a decent tool for those looking to add captions quickly and easily, especially if you're a casual creator. However, if you're a professional editor seeking advanced features, you might feel limited here. It's worth trying out if you value efficiency, but just keep your expectations in check.